How to set up MetaMask easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up MetaMask wallet as a complete beginner. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you can go to metamask.io and you will get right here. Once you install your wallet, this is what it will look like. So I'll show you how to set up your MetaMask and get right here. MetaMask is an Ethereum wallet that allows us to buy, send, and swap on Ethereum. We can also collect assets on Ethereum, and it is actually a really good wallet when it comes to getting a wallet as a beginner. It can be connected to any of the marketplaces, NFT marketplace, or a game. You can connect your MetaMask. Now, MetaMask is also a free wallet that you can get. It is an extension. So let's start with the process. You will go to metamask.io and you will land right here on this website. You can see a crypto wallet and a gateway to blockchain apps. You're going to click on download. So I have Chrome. I'm going to click on download for Chrome here and it will take me to chrome.google.com/extensions. So this is the extension for MetaMask and you're going to click on add to Chrome. I have already added it on my Chrome, that is why it says remove, but you're just going to click on add to Chrome and it will be added, it will be downloaded. Then you need to set up a password. We don't need to sign up for MetaMask or anything. It's a wallet. We just create a password, we set up a password for our wallet, and that's it. Once you set up your wallet, you can also pin your extension right here and you can open it up. So this is where you will get to open up extension like this. You can click on these three dots and click on expand view. This is the expanded view and this is the extension right here. So once you get to MetaMask, this is going to be your default mainnet, which is going to be Ethereum. Then we have our account right here. This is going to be my mainnet. This is our account. We have buy option, send, swap. We have assets and activity. Now let me show you what are the different setup that we need to do on our MetaMask wallet. In order to buy on Ethereum, you're going to click on the buy option right here. So we can actually deposit funds into our wallet through 4 ways. You can see right here, actually 5 ways when it comes to Ethereum. To interact with decentralized application using MetaMask, you'll need Ethereum in your wallet. If you want to deposit Ethereum, we are again getting 5 ways. The first way is Coinbase Pay. Buy Ethereum with Coinbase Pay. So if you have Coinbase Pay already and you have funds in it, you can go ahead and deposit that Ethereum directly to your MetaMask wallet through this option. Then we have Transact. Now, Transact is actually one of the easy options because it supports credit and debit card, Apple Pay, MobiWik. So what happens is you can go to transact.com and sign up on this platform. You will pay with your credit card and you can buy Ethereum with your debit card and then deposit that fund into your MetaMask. Then we have MoonPay, again another third party that allows you to deposit Ethereum into your wallet. You can see MoonPay also supports popular payment methods including Visa, MasterCard, Apple, and Google, also Samsung Pay. So you can just click on continue to MoonPay. Then we have Wire, also another famous option, and then we have directly deposit Ethereum. This is going to be depositing Ethereum from another account that you already have. So let's say I created this second account for myself and I already have Ethereum in any other account. I will just click on directly deposit Ethereum and then will be added. So these are the 5 ways you can deposit funds into your MetaMask. For example, I go with Wire. So I'm just going to click on continue to Wire and it will show you that it takes me to pay.sendwire.com. So it takes me to this other platform where I just need to log into my Wire account and deposit funds. Then we have the send option. Now sending is really easy. Click on send and you just have to enter the public address of a wallet to which you are sending Ethereum. So you will just enter the address right here. You will paste it, click on send, and the funds will be sent to that wallet. So it's actually really easy. Then we have swap, to swap on tokens using MetaMask. So you will click on the swap option here and you can now swap from one token to another. We have all of the tokens available. We have Ethereum, USDC, USDT, WETH, BUSD, Matic, Link, AP, Uniswap, Avi, Gala, Band, Mana, send all of these. So you will select the one you want to go for. I will go with Ether right here, and then we have to select a token to which we want to actually swap. So I'm going to go with USDC. Enter the amount you want to swap. Let's say I want to swap 1 Ethereum. 1 Ethereum at the time of making this video is 1500, and you can see I will be converting it into USDC. Click on swap, review swap, and you will be able to do the transaction. We also have advanced options right here. We have slippage tolerance 22%, 3%, and custom. Then we have smart transactions, on or off. You can just use these options, and swap using MetaMask. So these are the three basic options you will be using with the MetaMask.io. We have buy, send, and swap on Ethereum. If you want to switch networks, let's say you want to add Smart Chain to your MetaMask, you want to add a Matic network to your MetaMask, we can do that really easily. You're going to go to the network option here, and it will show you all of the networks that you have added. So we have Optimism, Matic, and BNB. Now, these are the networks that I added personally. I'll show you how to add a network. So once you get right here, you're going to click on Add Network, and it will take you to add a network manually. We just have to enter all the information here. We have network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, block explorer URL. Let's say I am adding a Matic network. So for that, I'm going to enter a network name. So we can call it Matic. Then you have to enter a RPC URL. You will get the RPC URL by just going to your Google, and you can search for like whatever network you are adding to your MetaMask. For instance, I am adding a Matic network, right? So I will search for a Matic network MetaMask on my Google and click on the first link. So let me actually quickly show you how we do it. You can see I just searched for Matic network, and it took me to this link right here, the first link, add Polygon network. And here I'm just going to scroll down a little bit to get the RPC URL. So that's how we simply do it. For example, if you're adding Smart Chain, then you can just go to the BinanceAcademy.com and you will get this information. So you just need to copy the URL and paste it right here. Then we have our chain ID. So the chain ID for Matic is going to be 137. Then we have currency symbol, and then you have to enter a block explorer URL. Every information can be found in any of the links right here, and there are already videos on this channel: how to add a Polygon network to your MetaMask, how to add Smart Chain, how to add Arbitrum, how to add Avalanche. All of these videos are already on this channel. You can go ahead and check them out right now. So you enter the network here, click on save, and a new network will be added. So then you can use your MetaMask not just on Ethereum, but you can also use it on other blockchains, such as the Smart blockchain. A lot of people ask me how to add a BNB network to your MetaMask. It's actually really easy, and you can see I can actually now buy, send, and swap on BNB using my MetaMask, a free wallet that I got, a free extension that is available out there, and that allows me to get all of these different networks without paying anything. And I don't have to create a lot of other wallets for BNB and for my other networks. I can just get like one wallet and add all of the networks. Then moving on, we have our account right here. When it comes to the setting up of your MetaMask, you can actually go to your settings to check out some of these settings. You can see your currency conversion. You can select your currency from here. If you do not want it to be USD, I have selected USD. You can select any currency from here. Then we have a primary currency, if it's going to be the network that you have, or a fiat currency. So I have selected the network that we have currently, which is BNB. Then we have our language. We can also use MetaMask in more than one languages and other than English. Then we have some account identifications. Similarly, we have advanced settings. Now in advanced setting, make sure to check out the gas control settings right here. You can see advanced gas control. Select this to show gas price and limit control directly. So if I enable this option, it will start showing me the gas fee that we are paying with each of the transactions and everything. Then we also have a auto lock time, customized transactions. Then we have backup data, restore data option. All of these options available. We also have sync with mobile option. So if you have downloaded a MetaMask app and now you want to sync your app to your extension, you can just click on the sync with mobile and you will be able to do so. To add a contact to your MetaMask, go to the contact section here, click on add contact, enter the name. For example, we have a username with this PSG, let's say, and then we have their public address. So you will just enter the name here, maybe your friend, maybe a buyer, maybe a customer. So what you can do is you can just enter the username, enter their public address here, click on save, and that contact will be saved right here to send them Ethereum anytime, to send them crypto anytime you want. Similarly, we have assets and activities. So you can click on assets right here and switch to the activities. You can also check out your portfolio. Then we have these three dots. Click right here and you will be able to see your account in the according to that website. If you have like Ethereum right here, so you will be able to see it in Etherscan and others. Then we have connected sites and account details. So connecting a MetaMask is also really easy to any of the websites out there to use your crypto wallet as your funding source. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.